are high-precision aluminum prototypes made with CNC. Aluminum prototypes are one of the most common solutions for functional testing during product development. With a density of about 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, aluminum offers an excellent strength to weight ratio and great machinability. Common alloys like 6061 and 7075 are widely used for structural parts, housings, load-bearing components during engineering validation. In practice, 6061 aluminum is ideal for general structure prototypes, while 7075 aluminum is preferred for applications that require higher strength. Aluminum prototypes can closely simulate the performance of final product materials, helping engineers will verify structural design, assembly accuracy, and thermal performance. With 3 axes of 5-axis CNC machining, we can consistently achieve plus or minus 0.01 mm dimensional accuracy and I/0.6 micrometer surface finish. By optimizing tooling and cutting parameters, deformation and vibration can be minimized, ensuring stable and reliable prototype parts. Aluminum prototypes are widely used in industrial such as aerospace, automotive, industrial automation, consumer electronics, and medical devices. Whether it's a single prototype or a small production batch, CNC aluminum machining helps shorten development cycles, reduce trial and error costs, and accelerate the transition from design to production.